So this problem says in the figure P and Q are parallel, find the measure of angle M. So this is what they want us to find right here. What's the measure of angle M? Well, to do this problem, we have to draw in a transversal. So that draw in another parallel line that goes through S. So I'm drawing that in, and I'm going to say, because I can say this, I'm going to say I'm drawing that so that these are all parallel to each other. That and that and that are all parallel to each other. Okay, I'm allowed to do that. I'm drawing in a parallel line. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to notice that this angle right here, actually let me change the color. Let me do this in purple. All the work that I'm doing right now is going to be in purple. That angle is whatever 180 minus 122 is, because that's on that, those are vertical angles. So they add up to 180. So subtracting that would give you 58. 58 degrees is right here. Well, if 58 degrees is there, if I were to draw this line right here, that transversal, actually let me not draw it through that last line. We're going to call these lines 1, 2, and 3. These parallel lines, we'll call them 1, 2, and 3. So notice the purple transversal goes through lines 1 and 2. And when I drew that so that you can see that this angle right here is also 58 degrees, because it is they are corresponding angles for the parallel lines 1 and 2 with the purple transversal that I drew in. Okay, so if that's 58, I'm going to change colors again to red. If that's 58, then this angle right here is going to be equal to 119 minus 58. And 119 minus 58, I'll show you this, the quick math. In my head, I was showing my younger daughter this just the other day. From 58 to 100, I would take 2 to get to 60, and then 40 to get to 100. This is how I think about it, and then 19 more to get to 119. So I literally think of it like that. So 42 plus 19, and I even borrow 1 from this and call it 20 and make that a 1. This might be confusing to you, but again, mental math. I'm showing you how you can do things in your head mentally. So 20 plus 40 is 60, plus 1 is 61. So 61 would be that angle right there, that red angle. And now I'm going to draw in a red transversal between lines 2 and 3. Those are parallel. See that red transversal? And do you see that this angle has to be equal to angle 1? Because they are, again, corresponding angles. And so when I do that, I can see that that angle must be 61 degrees.